Page number 48, exercise 4D, first question, multiply. Question number A is, multiply 312 by 21. You need to multiply 312 by 21. Which number is our multiplicand? Yes, 312 is our multiplicand. And how many digits are there in 312? Yes, 3 digits, that is 3, 1, 2 are the digits in multiplicand. And which number is our multiplier? Yes, 21 is our multiplier. And how many digits are there? 2 digits. Which are there? 2 and 1. Here we are starting our multiplication from ones digit of our multiplier, ones digit of our multiplier, and that product is called ones product, and we are writing ones product in this row, ones product. Can you please find out the ones product? Okay, after that we will find out the ones product. Here which table we are going to use? Yes, ones table, because the digit in ones place is 1. Hope you all got the ones product. We will check whether your answer is correct. First we are starting our multiplication from ones place. 2 ones are 2 and we are writing in ones place. 2 ones are 2. Then tens place. 1 ones are 1. Then 3 ones are 3. So we finished the multiplication with ones digit. Then what about next step? Yes, we are going to multiply with tens digit, that is 2, and that product is called tens product. And in tens product, ones digit must be 0. Don't forget this, okay? Don't forget to put this 0. Then we are starting our multiplication. Can you please find out the tens product? Then we will check whether your answer is correct. Okay, we can check whether your answer is correct. 2 twos are 4, and we write 4 in which place? Yes, we write this product in tens place. So 2 twos are 4. Then we multiply 2 with tens digit, that is 2 ones, or 1 twos are 2, and that is in hundreds place. Then we multiply with hundreds digit. So 3 twos are 6, and 6 is in which place? Yes, thousands place. We are writing that in thousands place. 3 twos are 6. And we are going to add ones product and tens product. We are going to add ones product and tens product. 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 6. 6552 is our answer. Next is question number B. 245 into 90. Here we need to multiply 245 by 19. Which is our multiplier? Yes, 19 is our multiplier and 245 is our multiplicand. 245 is our multiplicand and 19 is our multiplier. Our multiplicand is a 3-digit number and multiplier is a 2-digit number. And Where we start? Yes, we start from ones digit of multiplier. Ones digit of multiplier is 9 and we find out the product. And what is the name of that product? Yes, please write. Ones product. It is called ones product. Ones product. Can you please find out ones product? Which table we are using? Yes, 9's table. You may please write the multiplication table of 9 and find out this product. Have you got the ones product? Yes, then we can check. First we multiply 9 with 5. So 5 9's are. What is the entry? Which is the entry corresponding to 5 9's in 9's table? Yes, 5 9's are 45. You may please underline that entry. Okay. 5 9's are 45. So we are writing 5 in ones place and 4 as carry in tens place. So write 4 as carry in tens place. Then we multiply 9 by 4. So 4 9's are. You have already underlined the entry corresponding to 4, right? Yes. 4 9's are 36. 36 plus 4. 36 plus 4 is 36 after 37, 38, 39, 40. So we are writing 0 here and 4 as carry over again. Then we multiply 2 by 9. 2 9's are, yes, 18. 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4 is 22. So we are writing 2 here and carry 2. That is in thousands place and there is no digit to multiply by 9. So we are writing these 2 here in thousands place. So one's product is 2205. Then we need to find out which product? Yes, tens product. Can you please find out the tens product? Yes. I hope you all got the tens product. And one more thing is there. After finding out the ones product, you must have to cut all the carries in one's product. The carries all ones in the product il vanna carries alle. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ ക്യാരീസ് ഒക്കെ കട്ട് ചെയ്തിടണം. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഈ ടെൻസ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഈ ക്യാരി ടെൻസ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റിൽ വന്നതാണോ വൺസ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റിൽ വന്നതാണോ എന്ന് നമുക്കൊരു ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടാവും. അതുണ്ടാവാണ്ടിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി വൺസ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചിട്ട് ടെൻസ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നതിന് മുൻപ് ഈ ക്യാരീസ് ഫുള്ള് കട്ട് ചെയ്തിടണം. ഇനി ടെൻസ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചേ. Have you got the tens product? Yes. First thing you must have to do in tens product is, yes, write a 0 here in ones place. That is the first thing in tens product. And last thing in ones product is cut all the carries in ones product. Ones product le last process എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇതെല്ലാം കട്ട് ചെയ്തിടണം. വൺസ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റിൽ വന്ന ക്യാരീസ് ഒക്കെ കട്ട് ചെയ്തിടണം. ടെൻസ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റിലെ ഫസ്റ്റ് പ്രോസസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇവിടെ 0 ഇടണം. 1ന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ 0 എഴുതണം. Then we start our multiplication. We multiply 1 with 5. Here we use the table of 1. When we multiply a number by 1, we get the same number. So 5 ones are 5 in tens place. Then 4 ones. 4 ones are 4. Okay. Then 2 ones are 2. Then you need to add these ones product and tens product. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4655 is our answer.